Students, today we will discuss about the writing the chemical formula. How can we write the chemical formula? Chemical formula of a compound is the symbolic representation of its composition. Mean it is write down in the form of symbols. For writing chemical formula, we need to learn symbols and combining capacity of the elements. Combining capacity of element is known as the valency. Combining capacity of element is known as valency. Valency can be used to find how the atom of an element will combine with the atom of another element to form a chemical compound. Now, what are the rules to write a chemical formula? Rules used to follow while writing a chemical formula are: write down the symbol of the compound. First, write down the symbol. If you write down the sodium chloride formula, then first write down the symbol sodium Na chloride Cl. Write down the symbol of the compound element present in the compound. When a compound consists of the metal and a non-metal, the name or symbol of metal is written first. In NaCl, we will write down the Na first. Na is metal and it will be right on the left hand side and chlorine on the right hand side. The valencies or charge on the ion must balance. The valencies or charge on the ion must balance. In compounds formed with polyatomic ions, ions enclosed in the brackets before writing the number to indicate the ratio. If we want to write the aluminium sulfate, it is a polyatomic ion 4 and 1 5. 5 atomicity is there, it is pentatomicity compound, and we will write in the bracket and then indicate the number. In case the number of polyatomic ion, if the polyatomic ion is 1, the brackets is not required, just like NaOH. NaOH, we can write down the NaOH directly, not write down this, just no need to indicate 1 valency. We want to write down the chemical formula, then first we should learn these 20 elements name, symbol and atomic number and mass number. First you will learn these 20 elements: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. Now symbol. Symbol for hydrogen is H. Helium. If we write down H here, then both the hydrogen and helium symbol mix. Then E is there in the form of the symbol. Lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Ne. Sodium. Sodium is different symbol Na, not taken from the names Na. Magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K. Potassium is also different symbol. Potassium is K. Calcium is Ca. Now this on the lower side, this is the atomic number, and on the upper side this is the mass number, and it is near about the double. Hydrogen 1, and in the sum numerical you will see 2 and you will see 1. Helium. Helium is 2 and 4. Lithium, at the number 3, atomic number is 3, mass number is 6. Beryllium, atomic number 4, mass number 8. Boron 5, 10. Carbon 6, 12. Nitrogen 7, 14. Oxygen 8, 16. Fluorine 9, 18. Neon 10, 20. Sodium have different atomic number and different mass number. 11, it should be 22, but it is not 22, it is 23. Instead of 22, it is 23. Magnesium 12, 24. Aluminium 13, 27. Aluminium is used 27. Silicon 14, 28. Phosphorus 15, 30. Sulfur 16, 32. Chlorine is also different, 17. It should be 34, but it is not 34. Actually 35.5 is the mass number. But in the numerical you can use 35. Argon 1836 and potassium is also different, 1939, and calcium is 20 and 40. Polyatomic ion. Polyatomic ion. You will learn these polyatomic ion. These are very necessary for the numericals. Ammonium hydroxide. For ammonium NH4 plus. Plus, only plus mean it is 1. OH minus 1. 1. Hydroxide OH. Nitrate NO3 minus 1. Hydrogen carbonate HCO3 minus 1. Carbonate CO3 2 minus. Sulfite SO3 2 minus. Sulfate SO4 2 minus. Phosphate PO4 3 minus. These are the valencies. These are the valencies. Now, non-metallic element. Oxides O2 minus, sulfide S2 minus, nitride and 3 minus. We will do the practice of formula writing. Formula of simple compound or binary compound. The simplest compound which are made up of two different elements are called binary compound. Just like Na and Cl. These are the two elements. This is called binary compound. Now write down the formula of hydrogen chloride. Write down the hydrogen and chloride first. First write down, separate it, hydrogen and chloride. Now write down the symbol first. Hydrogen symbol is H and chloride symbol is Cl. And hydrogen is at the 1. Atomic number is 1 and its mass number is 1. Then its valency is 1 and chlorine is at the 17 and its atomic mass number is 35 and chlorine atomic number is 17 and its electronic configuration is 287. It can gain 1 electron. Hence its valency or combining capacity is -1. Now write down the symbol here and write down their valency below them. Hydrogen has 1 valency, write 1. Chlorine has 1 valency, write then 1. Then cross multiply. Cross multiply H1 Cl1. No need to write 1 1. It is already understood. HCl. It means 1 1 HCl. Formula is hydrogen chloride. Now we will write down for the hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Write down the symbol first. For the hydrogen, symbol H, sulfide symbol S. For the hydrogen, atomic number is 1, then its valency is 1, and sulfide it is at the 16 and its valency is 2, S2 minus 1. Now write down the valency. Hydrogen 1, sulfur 2. Now cross multiply H2 and S1. This is the formula of hydrogen sulfide. Now we will take the example of carbon tetrachloride. First write down the element name carbon and then symbol C and chloride Cl. Now carbon valency is C4 because it is at the 6, atomic number is 6 and electronic configuration become 2 4. It need 4 electron to complete its octet. Then its valency is 4 and chloride 17 and 287. It will gain 1 electron. It will gain 1 electron. Its valency is 1. Now write down C4Cl1. Now cross multiply this. Now C1 and Cl4. This is carbon tetrachloride. Tetra means 4. 4 chlorine is there. Now magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. Write down the name of the element and symbol. Magnesium and chlorine. Magnesium valency is 2 plus and chlorine valency is -1. Now write down magnesium 2, chlorine 1 valency, then cross multiply and it will become Mg1 and Cl2. Now next, aluminium oxide. First write down the element name and symbol. Aluminium Al, oxide O. Now write down the valency. Aluminium 3 plus and oxygen 2 minus. Now write down the valency. Aluminium 3, oxygen 2. Now cross multiply and write down Al2O3. This is aluminium oxide. Now calcium hydroxide. Calcium symbol is Ca, hydroxide symbol is OH, and calcium valency is 2 plus and hydroxide valency is -1. Now write down Ca2OH1 and write down CaOH2. Write down in this way. If you write CaOH2, then it will be wrong. It will be wrong because OH2 means only H has 2 atoms, not oxygen. So first mark the bracket and then only write down the number.